Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best sports applications for your Firestick or Android TV. They are going to allow you to watch live sports and live TV online and totally for free. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in that app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to blur it. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those apps to your device. And first of all, of course, you need to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. So we click on it, and as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us right here. So that's the app that you got the download to your Firestick. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet. We still need to set it up. So to stop the loader, we gotta go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. So we open them. Make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Google Play Store or Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. NordVPN got an app that will work both on your Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. And it's actually super easy to use. You just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Netherlands right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go to the list of apps, open up Downloader and wait until it loads for you. Then here, on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you have clicked on Home, and from now on in that search bar we'll need to enter the codes. And the first code is going to be 197959. So once again, it's 197959. Just enter it as you see. Click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the website of Streamfire app has opened. That's exactly what we're looking for. And here you can check what the current code is for downloading their app. So it seems that right now the code we should use is 628932. So just click back on home and enter the code that you can check on the website. So right now it is 628932. So there's the code. We click on go, and now we download all the APK file should start. You can click on that link to make it a little bit faster. And as you can see, the download has already started. And then you click install and wait until Streamfire application gets installed on your Firestick. And after it's installed, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you are able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. Then finally, let's go to the list of applications on a Fire TV, and there's the Streamfire, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Streamfire is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then you can safely open the app. And in the app you'll gain access to hundreds of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And that was the first app we got here today, but that's not it. Let's go back to the downloader, click on home, and I'll show you a couple more codes, which will give you even more channels for your Firestick. So the next code is gonna be 682181. So once again, it's 682181. We enter it like that, then click on go and wait until the download starts. As always, there is an option to click that link, and it's going to be a bit faster. So now we just wait until the download process is starting for us. There you go, it's only 20 megabytes, so should not take too long. And then click install, and now the app will be installed on your Firestick. This app is called RBTV77. It's an amazing app with loads of live TV channels. So as previously, don't click open, instead press on done to delete those unnecessary installation files from your device. And then finally, if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV and open it up, there is the RBTV, which we just installed. And then let's put it up front like we did for the first application. And now there are 2 apps for sports. But that's not it, I got one more amazing code for you. So we click back on home, erase the previous code, and the code is gonna be 984076. So once again, 984076. That's the code for you. Click on go. And this app is gonna be called Rapid Streams. It's also an amazing application for all kinds of live TV channels as well as live sports. Let's download the app, install it to your device, then delete the unnecessary installation files, and go back to the list of applications on your Fire tree. So there it is, there's the Rapid Streams, which we downloaded. Put it up front. Once again, don't forget to keep the VPN connected. And then you can open the app. Let's open it. Click on continue and wait a bit until it finally loads for us. And from here you'll get channels from all over the world as well. All the countries like UK, France, Germany, US, Australia, Spain, India, and so on. So today you learned how to get the best live sports applications on your Firestick. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye bye.